Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video on Wull on this. So topics in this video are: Beenie Man get detained over in Ghana, Africa, the official get married, and we also have some extra topics in the video sideways. So remember to subscribe. Alright guys, so we could kick it off the right and proper way. So international reggae superstar Anthony Moses Davis, popular known as Beenie Man, has been detained in Ghana by the airport police for floating COVID-19 protocols. Yes, so in regards to that, guys, you don't know, him get tested for positive for COVID. You see me? Now watch that. So it's like him know him for isolate himself for a period of time, which him not do that. Him and Stoneboy did have performance in the pan, live news, TV, all different type of thing. You see me? Plus him not got perform on one stage show where this was the last place I think him go differently, like to say, around a lot of people, like among different people where, you see me, rules are rules by right. Him coulda, spread it, but this really a gone. Basically, and him depart from Ghana, them end up lamp on him as it, cause him broke the law basically in them country. I see him comment on picture when people post say him get detained, so it kinda controversial, enough look how he said we. You see me, what we are gonna watch. Oh, as for D guys, when you don't share drama from morning, and we never know love like them thing I coulda make person married, cause the type of person who she was. It's a good look, guys. You see me? So good for know somebody can say Clara out there. We just wanna say congratulations when I still So guys, people have it for say that woman are missing, dead / enough local thing though. I made it see it actually pink all everywhere. And this is fair speech meant to clear our name.
Hello everyone. I spoke to my mom today. Happy holidays. She knows I'm alive and well. She also has retained counsel to begin prosecution against Montego Bay International Airport, as well as to begin prosecution against 6 rent-a-car company for putting her address out. She currently has tons of reporters in front of her door harassing her in reference to me being dead and not alive. As you can see, I'm alive and well, and I don't miss no meals. Sir Spence, I tried to speak to Janet from The Gleaner, one of your college buddies, the one that wrote the article. Unfortunately, she's not taking any of my calls. I dropped a couple of receipts into New York City's embassy's email in reference to the whole ordeal. You lying to the police. You trying to have me murdered. You premeditating my murder in a third world country. And as you can see, you don't meet the prerequisite to fuck with me. Sir Spence, you said the last time you spoke with me was November 7th. The glasses that were in the case, by the way. That's the last time you spoke to me, allegedly, Sir Spence. But I submitted email documentation stating that you spoke to me December 17th and have been well in contact with me before you went out, premeditated my murder, lied to the Gleaner, lied to the Observer. Mind you, everyone, I'm going to take this time to say thank you to everyone. Seriously, when you tried to destroy my business, you actually promoted it. There's no such thing as bad publicity. I am a serial entrepreneur, and as you can see, I like money and fast cars. not Toyota Corollas. Spence! Now that you lied to the authorities, you lied to the Gleaner, because now the Gleaner has several lawsuits against them. You have lawsuits against you, and so does Montego Bay International Airport for the buffoonery. How does it feel, Spence? You lied to the police. You lied to the publications. How does it feel? You premeditated my murder. You had your father pull out firearms, and I have him on camera, and try to shoot me after you stole $3,500 out of my bank account. I can't even buy these earrings with $3,500. Or this $1,000 Fendi scarf. But anyway. Sir Spence, I can't wait to see you in court. Gleaner, I can't wait to hear the retraction. Rosina Diaz, I'm sorry they put your address out there. I will definitely make sure that you're compensated because of it. It is Christmas Eve, and my mother does not deserve to hear that her oldest child is dead and not alive. False statements put out by people looking to take me down and extort me. By people that premeditated my murder, because when you put it out in the paper that I'm missing, that you haven't spoken to me in 40 days and I might have been abducted or murdered, that's premeditation when you see me and pull out a gun to me and say, you'll blow my fucking brains out. You know you done fucked up, right? I'm just sending you this little Christmas message to let you know. My favorite color is black. Occasionally I'll wear red. So the new Rolls Royce convertible should probably be black, flat black with red guts. Please, get your coins up, Sir Spence. Get your coins up, corrupt police department in Jamaica. Get your coins up, Gleaner, because you should have it. I think you're like one of the highest publications in Jamaica. So you should know, as a journalist, before you post any false stories, you're supposed to do your research. You fucked up, Gleaner. You didn't do your research. You didn't check for receipts with my real teeth. These are real. Thank you, Rosina. My mama gave me these teeth. They're real. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And I always see a fucking dentist. That's why I don't got no dentures. Yeah. So, Sir Spence, as the public, some people in the public think I need veneers. I think you and your daddy might have to pay for them. After I have been prosecuted for attempted murder and premeditation of murder, between the both of you, seeing as how you're a lawyer, but you work for a rent-a-car company. You're a loser that was running down a Toyota Corolla, premeditated my murder, lied to your college buddies in the paper in the Gleaner, and told them that my pretty fat ass, yeah, that ass is fat, is dead? Then had your daddy pull a gun out on me and say he was going to blow my fucking brains out, and I got him on record. I'm coming for your daddy, Spence. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for Montego Bay International Airport. And I'm also can't wait to hear the retraction from the Gleaner. You'll be hearing not only from my lawyers, you will be hearing from lawyers of my associates who invest